Hey everyone, Louisa here from Connecting Over Coffee, and today for Travel Tip Tuesday, I'm going to be teaching you how to count to 10 in Spanish, en español. To say one, you're going to want to say uno. Now, I don't know how many of y'all have played Uno, but I know that when you have those two cards in your hands and you're about to slap that one card down because you got that one here, and then you slap it down, you say Uno, and then you know, like, everybody is just gonna freak out because you're so close to winning the game. To say two, you're gonna want to say dos. Three is tres. To say four, you're going to want to say cuatro. Kind of like the Audi Quattro, but if you can, try to learn how to roll your R's because that makes all the difference in the world. To say five, you're going to want to say cinco, kind of like Cinco de Mayo. To say six, you're going to want to say seis. I was about to say six because of the French, but it's seis. To say seven, you're going to want to say siete. To say eight, you're going to want to say ocho. To say nine, you're going to want to say nueve. For 10, diez. So from the top, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. All right, y'all, today is a super short Travel Tip Tuesday. So if you want me to count to 20 or 30 or 40, 100, a million, just let me know in the comments below. Also, hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. Ring the bell if you wish to be notified because we release podcasts every other Monday, and then in between on Tuesdays, we release Travel Tip Tuesday videos like this one. So until next time, y'all, stay safe and stay traveling.